Hey, what's up everybody? Stan Kondrat from the Greek for All is here. Happy New Year and many blessings to you in 2020. I still have a Christmas tree behind me, but we are already in the new year. And I thought to make this video to talk about the future of this channel. So, let's begin. Alright, we are in the beginning of the new year and I love this time of the year when I can sit and make plans for the whole year on different aspects of my personal life. I spent some time over this holiday season thinking about this channel and where to take it in 2020. So I made a small list of things which I want to do on this channel, the content, the type of the content I want to create. And if you have any suggestions of what you want to see on this channel, please write it down. Just leave a comment below and say, Stan, I want to see more of this and more of that. And I will be more than happy to create videos like that for you. So, but now let's go through my list and see what came to my mind, what I want to do with this channel and where to take it. So first of all, we are gonna continue the grammar videos where I'm taking the big and difficult concepts, break them down into small units and present it to you in a small, easy to digest and understand level. So we're gonna continue making those videos, so this is a good news. Second, a new feature is gonna appear on this channel. I will call it vlog. I'm gonna vlog my life, whether it relates to the Greek studies or doesn't relate to the Greek studies. So you can get to know me a little bit better, who I am as a person, who I am as a scholar. For example, this May I'm flying to Greece and Israel to do the study tour, and I'm taking all of my equipment, my drone, my equipment, so we're gonna do some filming on the sites of Greece and Israel, which relate to the New Testament studies, specifically to the Greco-Roman context and to the Gospel of Luke. So it's gonna be very exciting. I want to meet few filmmakers who live in Israel, and we're gonna do something really crazy. So stay tuned. In the fall, I'm going to the SBL meetings where all of the leading scholars of the world will come and discuss different questions and issues relating to the New Testament studies. So I'm very excited about that. And I want to take you along with me to those conferences, to those meetings, to see certain scholars, to see what it is behind the scene, because usually in general, lay people don't go to those meetings. It's for the scholars and the PhD students. Those people mostly go, and I want to take you with me so you enjoy those meetings as well. Another interesting feature which I want to bring to this channel is I want to take you with me to my PhD classes. I'm a PhD student and I'm taking PhD level classes, and I want to take you along with me. So this semester I'm studying two classes which I believe will benefit you. The first one is the Advanced Greek. I've already taken Advanced Greek, but my school wants me to take it again, and I'm very excited about this because you never stop learning. And another class is the textual criticism, where we're going to study more about the formation of the New Testament canon, and we will study different manuscripts and how the Bible which we have today came to us. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna read a lot of materials, do lots of exercises, and I'm gonna share certain interesting moments with you, and I think it will be very exciting. And as I go through other classes later, I'm gonna take you along with me, so I think it will be fantastic time. Another feature which I want to bring is the book reviews. For example, in this very class of textual criticism, the professor gave us this book, Fundamentals of the New Testament Textual Criticism, written by Stanley Porter. And Stanley Porter is one of the leading linguists in the New Testament studies. So I'm very excited that our professor gave us to read this book. I cannot wait to read it. And so as I read the books in my classes, I'm gonna do the book reviews, kind of short summary and my thoughts on the books and some key ideas, so you can benefit from this as well. And also I'm working on the videos, on the series of videos on Greek syntax or intermediate Greek. I'm very excited to create the series, probably out of 50 or maybe more videos, but I will break them down into small units, kind of 10 videos, so we don't need to wait for the entire course. I want to create more videos on translation and reading biblical Greek, just beginner level, because this is what people write to me and they say, Stan, can you make more videos on that? First of all, reading biblical Greek, so we're gonna just read through certain passages of the New Testament so you can hear how the Greek is pronounced, and you read along, and you see how certain words are pronounced, and that's pretty much it, just reading biblical Greek. And another series of videos I want to create this year is the translation of the biblical Greek. We're gonna just go through some texts, some passages in the New Testament and translate, so you develop the habit of translation of the biblical Greek, so you learn how it should be done, and you will create this habit, and you see how it's done, and then you kind of go and follow along, and then you create your own style how you translate biblical Greek. And finally, I want to create some 2 minutes videos on Greek vocabulary, just the words and where they appear in the Bible, and certain nuances, how they should be translated, and what kind of nuances they bring to the translation, and how the meaning of the text changes. So it's gonna be very, very exciting. So that's it. This is what I want to do. But again, if you want to see something specifically what you want to do, just leave a comment below. Just write this down. Stan, I want to see this video. Can you make a video on that? I will be more than happy to do it for you. And so on this positive note, again, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. And I want to say, as usually, learn Greek, love God, all the best.
Ой, это невозможно!